This is number 7 through 12 on the study guide. We have another set of sets, and we're trying to decide if the statements are true or false. First statement says that A and B are disjoint. That means that they have nothing in common. Well, I don't see a 0 in A, and I don't see a 3 in A, so they don't have anything in common. So is this true or false that A and B are disjoint? That is a true statement. They are disjoint. They have nothing in common. Number 8 says that 11 and 12 are elements of C, that it's a subset of C, and both the elements 11 and 12 are in C, so that is also true. Number 9 says that 4, 6, and 11 are elements of A. So I see 4, 6, but I don't see 11, so this would be false, because all of those would have to be elements of A. This one, I see a parenthesis, so I should do that first, where I do the union of B and C. So if I did their union, I put all their numbers listed once, so 0, 3, 10, 11, and 12. And now I'm going to do that with the intersection of A. So that was 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So what I'm looking for is what they have in common. So what they have in common, let's see, they don't both have a 0, not 3, they do both have 10. No 11, and they do both have 12, so that would be my final answer. So it's asking me here, is this true or false? This does not match. This has to be false then. So that right there would be a false statement because these do not match. This one says if we start with B, which is 0, 3, and we subtract off the A's, which there's nothing in A here that's the same, that it's going to equal the empty set. Well, that's not true. I still have this in my final answer, so this has to be false. Here, it's saying that if I do everything but A intersection C, that's going to be a subset of C. Well, let's look at the intersection of A and C. It's what they have in common. So what they have in common is they both have a 10 and they both have a 12. And I want to know, is that a subset of C? But we're doing its complement, so that means everything but that. So if we look at everything but that, we go back to the universal set, and we list everything there except for 10 and 12. So that'd be 0, 3, 4, 8, and 11. And we want to know, is that a subset of C? Well, if you look at C, here, C does not have the number 0 or 3 or 4 or 8. So therefore, those do not belong to C. This cannot be plugged into there, so this has got to be false as well.